Chapter 11. Weight, volume and density. New words. 1. Volume. 2. Weight. 3. Log. 4. Floats. 5. Sinks. 6. Density. 7. Buoyant. 8. Substance. 9. Archimedes. 10. Principle. 11. Upthrust. 12. Hollow. 13. Apparent. 14. Immersed. Looking back 1. Answer the following questions. 1. Which will have greater volume? 1 kg of cotton or 10 kg of cotton? Answer. 10 kg of cotton will have greater volume. 2. Which will have greater weight? 1 liter of water or 2 liter of water? Answer. 2 liter of water have greater weight. 3. A bottle with 1 liter of water is heavier than a bottle with 1 liter of petrol. Which has greater density, water or petrol? Answer. Water has more density as 1 liter of water is heavier than 1 liter of petrol because greater the weight, more is the density. Looking back 2. Answer the following questions. 1. Ramesh threw a stone and a small piece of wood into a bucket of water. The stone sank, but the wood did not. Why? Answer. The stone sank, but the wood did not because the stone is more denser than water and the wood is less denser than water. 2. Suppose a ball of steel weighs 3 kg outside water. What will be its apparent weight in water less than 3 kg or more than 3 kg? Answer. A steel ball that weighs 3 kg in air will weight lesser in water as upthrust acts on any object in water and the object has apparent loss in weight. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. If an object has a weight of 10 kg and a volume of 5 liters, what is its density? A. 5 kg per liter. B. 10 kg per liter. C. 2 kg per liter. D. 0.5 kg per liter. Answer is C. 2 kg per liter. 2. An object has a density of 8 kg per liter. It will A. Float in water. B. Fast sink and then float. C. Sink in water. D. Fast float and then sink. Answer is C. Sink in water. 3. What is the force that makes wood immersed in water come up? A. Muscular force. B. Frictional force. C. Buoyant force. D. Gravitational force. Answer is C. Buoyant force. 4. If an object floats in water, it is less dense than water. 5. When you put a brick in water, what happens to the level of water? A. It rises up. B. It first rises and then goes down. C. It remains the same. D. It goes down. Answer is A. It rises up. 6. In water, an object weighs less than it does in air. 7. An object weighs 12 kg in air and displaces 3 kg of water when immersed in water. Its apparent weight in water is A. 12 kg, B. 3 kg, C. 15 kg, D. 9 kg. Answer is D. 9 kg. B. Complete the sentences. Column A, column B. 1. Density tells us how closely molecules are packed in a substance. 2. An object weighs less in water. 3. An object sinks if its weight is greater than the upthrust acting on it. 4. A ship is in water has higher upthrust than weight. 5. Apparent loss in weight of an object in water is the weight of water displaced. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. Different materials have different volumes for the same weight. 2. Equal volume of different materials have different weights. 3. Weight divided by volume gives the density of a substance. 4. The density of water is 1 kg per liter. 5. The weight of an object in water is equal to its weight in air minus weight of water it displaced. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What do you mean by density? How is knowledge of density useful in finding out if a substance will float or sink in water? Answer. A. Density is defined as the weight of unit volume of a substance or density equal to weight by volume. B. If the object is less denser than water, it floats, and if the object is more denser than water, it sinks. 2. State Archimedes principle. Answer. Archimedes principle states that when an object is immersed in water, the upthrust is equal to the weight of water displaced by the object. 3. What are the rules for floating and sinking according to Archimedes principle? Answer. According to Archimedes principle, the rules of floating and sinking are: 1. If the weight of an object is more than the upthrust, object sinks in water. 2. If the weight of an object is less than the upthrust, the object floats in water. 4. Iron is denser than water, so it sinks in water. But a boat made out of iron floats in water. Why? Answer. A boat made of iron floats on water because of its hollow shape. When the boat is in water, the entire volume of the boat, including the hollow portion, displaces water, which is more than the volume of iron used in the boat. Since upthrust is more than the weight of the boat, it floats. 5. When an object is immersed in water, why does its weight go down? How much weight is lost? Answer. When an object is immersed in water, it displaces some water. The water displaced is equal to the upthrust, which is an upward force. So the downward force experienced by an object will be lesser due to the upthrust. That's why weight of an object in water equal to weight in air minus upthrust. Higher order thinking skills. Does ice float or sink in water? From this, what do you understand about the density of water as a solid and as a liquid? Answer. Ice floats on water. This is because when water is in its solid state, that is ice, it is less denser than its liquid state, that is water, and so ice floats on water.